salamat sa suporta. Maraming salamat sa pagpupuyat. Maraming salamat sa pagdadasal. I'm doing my best to make you guys proud and I hope sana subaybayan niyo ako in my next matches and in my journey to come. Maraming salamat.
That is all welcome. The Patrice Tennis Sensation, Alex Ayala! Welcome, Ayala! All right, some love from your fans. Everybody say for even years, just cheering her on from our screens, from our homes, seeing her on our live streams, and now she's here in the flesh.
Maraming salamat. Thank you everybody for being here and spending your time with me.
Alright, soaking all the love from your fans. Everybody say Alex! Wow, what a moment. We've spent months or even years just cheering her on from our homes, seeing her on our live streams, and now she's here in the flesh. Thank you very much, Miss Katie and Miss Mariana. And once again, welcome back home, Alex Ayala! Hello, Alex. I'm Ivy. Hi. Okay, let's stay over here. We're extremely thrilled to have you here. As you just heard, their loud cheer is still there, their love for you. So, first of all, I think I speak for everyone. Congratulations on your historic run at Wimbledon! Okay, so maybe we can have a seat first so that we can relax a little bit. Alex, how are you?
I'm good! Hello! Kamusta kayo? Maraming salamat. Thank you everybody for being here and spending your time with me.
Yes, of course, on a Wednesday, naglabi yung turnout for today. Now, you have competed on some of the toughest courts in the world, Alex. I'm sure at this point, you have a lot of unforgettable moments. But can you share with us your favorite? Ano yung mga naaalala mo ngayon?
I mean, the last week in Wimbledon is at the top of my list, and I think the reaction said it all.
Well, we all agree. So, yun talaga ng pag-cheer din namin sa'yo. Now, speaking of unforgettable moments, Alex, let's do a quick throwback moment. Here, some of your photos through the years, and we'd like you to tell us the story behind the photo or what you were thinking when the photo was taken. Okay, let's start with our photo number 1.
I think this is probably when I was 8 or something years old. I had won a trophy that is, and yeah, look, yung ipin ko medyo may tooth.
Yes! Pero may just think, kung mga 8 years old ka, ando na yung globe kasama mo talaga, ha?
So, it's my day one. It's my day one.
Okay, now let's go to photo number 2 naman. Ano kaya mag-discover? Wow, tennis great. Okay.
This was one of my first meetings with Rafa. So, airport, and then we asked for a picture, and it was so nice to have taken a picture with me. And ayan, may 0917.
Oo nga! Napansin niyo ba yun? Grabe! So, was this your first time mo siya ma-meet? So, were you feeling that time?
Very starstruck, but it was so fast, parang I didn't process. I couldn't process. You know what it's like meeting your idol. Wala akong nasabi.
I think relatable ka sa part na yun, sobra. Now, let's go to the photo number 3 naman. Ooh. So it was 2022, I won the Junior US Open. And ayun, received the trophy, very memorable moment in my junior career. Where do you keep it? I keep it in my house. Oh, saan siya naka-display? Dun sa like, oh, so you have like all proof. Yes. Wow. Okay, now let's go to photo number 4 naman. Was 2 years ago in another meet and greet with Glow. Significantly smaller than this one. But yeah, Vogue cover had just came out, so super excited. I mean, I was super happy every time I come back to Manila. Glow always makes me feel. Do you realize now what she's feeling there is probably what you felt when you met Rafa? Probably, but it's hard. But it doesn't register. And that's what we love about you. You keep a grounded mind. Yes. Okay, now let's go to our last photo. Next one.
Go!
Applause, guys. Yes. So, Alex, tell us about this moment. Yeah, this was with Liga in center court, and my Superman time. Yeah, super moment time, and yeah, never say die. Did you imagine that it would be this viral, sensational thing all over the? I mean, I just hope na may makakuha ng picture. Too incredible of a moment not to take a snapshot. Tama. Ang dami ng gumagaya dyan ngayon. You know, an iconic moment for you, an iconic photo. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the little stories behind those photos. And the saw are enduring proof that your grit and determination started at an early age and that greatness begins with courage. What does courage mean to you today compared to when you first started? Courage to me looks like showing up every day. It looks like showing up after you've had a bad loss. You've had a long day, or maybe something else is not going right in other aspects of your life. So courage to show up when you need to be there. Yeah. Great mentality right there. And now we know we just got off an incredible run, but come on, what are you most excited for in your career? What is next for Alex Ayala? I'm excited for so many things. In the near future, US Open is coming up. Yeah. So I'm gonna get ready to prepare for that. Thank you so much, Alex, for sharing your stories with us. I think we can all agree that getting behind the athlete makes us admire you even more. But now it's time to see a different side of Alex, so let's take a quick break from the serious question. Have a little fun. Okay, I know you're used to serving and returning fast balls, but now let's see how 5G fast question. Alright, this is a warm-up coming up. Okay, so let's see. This is an easy one. We'll be asking questions in quick successions. Like, all you have to do is tell us the first thing that comes to your mind. So are you ready, Alex? I'm ready. Alright, let's play 5G fast serve. Forehand or backhand? Backhand. Selfie or groupie? Groupie. Next, okay. Reels or singles or doubles? Singles. Clay court or hard court? Hard court. Tie break or third? Tie break. Alright. Your favorite post-match reward? Good food. Parang lahat tayo. Walk-in music. What song would it be? Oh, yung sa Rocky. Oh my God, sorry. Thank you so much, guys. Gusto ko yung audience interaction. Describe the last photo on your camera roll. My best friend sent me of her in her face mask. Okay. Very specific. Last person that you called? My dad. Aw. Last your phone. Oh, What's Up by Young Miko. Win in straight sets or comeback? Oh. Comeback victory. Yes, victory. Can you tell us about the most memorable you or a message you received after your last Wimbledon match or the series? One of the most memorable things of fans is that they told me that they were reminded that it is okay to feel things deeply. Okay, next one. Believe bigger or dream bolder? Believe bigger. Chasing greatness or inspire? Both. Pwede naman. Alright, so greatness period, we'll take that. Now let's tan. That was a nice way of getting to know Alex more. But now let's shift gears and test how much know you with our next game called 5G Instant Replay.